Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 12th to the 16th of January 2026 on Monday. The one marshal police are stand when ins is your name the surfaces in a deadly haste. Nonka's Heroes Award to take shape as he impresses potential investors on Tuesday. Insizwa are unaware of the motive behind Nyawo's annoyance until Mondli shows up asking many questions. Nonka and the team prepare for the award ceremony on Wednesday. Nkonzi confront how and threatened to make him meet his maker. The plot thickens as Njeza's suspicions grow stronger. Keja and Kumbulani locks horns over Mondli's questioning. On Thursday, Kazimulo is forced to investigate Joanne's shooting. A daughter unsuspectingly aids and abets a criminal. Nonka makes a bold decision for the awards on Friday. The David's kids panics when Brandon walks back from the hospital. With his interest piqued, Njeza follows Mr. Dongwe. Mzwezwe and Screwdriver threaten to confront the prince. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.